If you want to set time and date on your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, you have to open up your settings. After that, scroll down to your General Management tab. Open it up. Now find your date and time and make sure to turn off your automatic date and time. Now make sure to turn off your automatic time zone. So first of all, choose your time zone, choose your region, choose a time zone. Now we can select a date. For example, let it be January 28th, 2022. Press done. Now choose a time. For example, let it be 3:35 p.m. and press done. As you see, our time and date has changed. It means that everything is working correctly. When you're done with it, simply choose your automatic time and date and your time zone back again. Also, you can choose whether you want to use 24-hour format or if you want to use 12-hour format. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.